Every year, the world produces over 350 million tons of plastic waste. In Vietnam, this challenge is especially urgent.
According to the World Bank, Vietnam is among the top 10 countries with the most plastic used, and 60% of them are single-use plastics.
Plastic is everywhere, in our rivers, our soil, and even our food chain.
This is not just a waste problem, it is a design and consumption problem.
One of the most invisible culprits are plant pots, where plastic pots are cheap, but they are soulless and non-biodegradable.
Ceramic pots are durable and made from sustainable raw materials, but very difficult to transport due to their heaviness and fragility.
People keep buying plant pots, yet receive little long-term value. This is why our market is trapped in the red ocean of price and waste.
To solve these fundamental failures, we must rethink the role of the plant pot itself.
What if a small plant pot could carry something much larger than a plant?
What if it could carry the promise of a forest, the spirit of a community, and the seed of a new market?
These questions led to PoTo, a brand that replaces industrial waste with artisanal wisdom, crafting every pot from Vietnam's most resilient and sustainable resource, bamboo.
Bamboo is an abundant and sustainable resource thanks to its impressive growth rate and short maturity time.
As this material is deeply embedded in Vietnamese culture and craft, PoTo has partnered up with skilled artisans to create an ethical and responsible manufacturing process.
Vietnam is home to over 800 traditional bamboo craft villages built on generations of knowledge.
Furthermore, the familiarity of bamboo products in Vietnam promises faster consumer acceptance.
Traditional pots compete on price and basic durability. As shown on our strategy canvas, the industry is locked in a red ocean race. PoTo chooses to diverge.
These key competing factors position PoTo as a blue ocean strategist, since our offering level is much higher in scalability, durability, ethical production, biodegradability, traceability, and cultural storytelling compared to our red ocean competitors.
By moving away from these traditional costs, we have created the strategic space to raise artisanal social equity. We achieve value innovation by applying the ERC grid to our production. PoTo achieves value innovation by eliminating plastic waste and carbon-heavy firing while creating a digitally traceable regenerative loop that raises artisan dignity and reduces logistics impact.
We started with non-customers, not existing buyers. People who still buy plastic pots even when they feel guilty when they do so. PoTo removes this guilt by aligning everyday use with environmental responsibility. People who stop gardening altogether because they feel it's wasteful and meaningless.
Each PoTo pod is connected to a real bamboo through a unique ID.
By scanning the QR code on the pod, users can track the specific growth and climate impact of their tree through PoTo Live. Furthermore, PoTo Live acts as a digital caretaker, pushing notifications to the user phone to remind them exactly when to water their plant.
The user can track their impact and take care of their plant on potolive.com.
The unexplored market, schools, students, and ESG organizations, they aren't just buying pots, they're buying traceable climate actions.
This is a scalable business with a mature catalog of 57 SKUs ready for global demand.
PoTo has evolved beyond concept and into real-world implementation, starting off with our first customer, Dala Has Farm, where we received repeated orders of bamboo pots, validating market demand.
Our production is just as solid. We partner with Cheongjiang Factory, which operates under top-tier ethical standards like SEDEC and BSCI. The numbers speak for themselves. In 2025, revenue reached 78,400 with a 15.2% margin. By the end of 2026, we projected to hit 165,600, pursuing our margin even higher as we scale.
In 2025 alone, we have engaged 9 organizations and over 5,000 students, expanding our educational and environmental impact.
PoTo does not just sell pots. We're transforming everyday choices into measurable climate actions.
PoTo, rooted in earth, crafted by hand, designed for life.